Eurofiber is a provider of telecoms infrastructure for businesses in the Benelux.
We're effectively deploying a national network that we put in the ground and we lease out to various companies.
It's an open network, raw connectivity.
Any service provider can use our infrastructure to deliver services to their end users.
Telephony, internet, email, data transport. So it's the network that's the core asset.
And as you might guess from the name, that network is fiber optic.
In the past you had copper, but the bandwidth of copper is of course limited. And with fiber there is unlimited capacity.
Fiber is the network of the future.
Laser advances continue to deliver gains in bandwidth.
And this is the type of fiber we deploy all over our network.
A strand like this will carry all interbank payment traffic of the Netherlands, all streaming media content for live concerts across the world.
100 DVDs in 1 second from A to B. So it's a huge amount of data going through this tiny string.
Eurofiber's customers include telecoms carriers like Vodafone and T-Mobile, companies facing an explosion in the use of mobile data.
The more wireless we use, the more wire fibre they need in their backhaul networks. You've then got energy companies, utilities, who are all having to upgrade their legacy networks.
The company also serves major banking and healthcare customers, as well as, increasingly, SMEs.
And that's a significant growth driver for us.
Up front, there's a cost in connecting every new customer.
We always invest, digging a specific piece of network for an end customer.
Approximately it takes 50 euros per meter.
In return, a customer is willing to sign a longer term contract, and typically our contracts are 5 to 8 years.
Until 2006, Eurofiber was owned by a venture capital consortium.
Then the company was acquired by Regeborg, which is a Dutch investment company, until Doughty Hanson came along in autumn 2011.
It was a proprietary transaction that grew quickly out of personal contacts.
I think there were 1 or 2 meetings.
We started to know the team.
The agreement was reached between shareholders in February.
In May, we were able to finalize.
Eurofiber has grown significantly year on year throughout its history.
We need a growth investor. We need someone who understands that deploying fibre optic networks is a capital-intensive business.
That's what they realized, and that's what we're going for in terms of creating shareholder value in the future.
Investing in order to let the company grow. The value enhancement team can be very helpful in achieving that.
For example, Eurofiber will be wiring up over 3,000 mobile masts in the next 5 years.
And getting the scalability right in the organisation and getting the approach right is going to be critical to the success of that project.
But this isn't the only area Doughty Hanson will be examining.
What we want them to do is look at our pricing models. I think purchasing they could help us with.
We've got a large chain of subcontractors working for us, hundreds of people in the field. So how can we optimize that chain?
Eurofiber will also be working with Doughty Hanson on new products and services.
We've just launched our first data centre, which is exciting for us because it's a new branch of telecom infrastructure that's co-location.
Many businesses are now outsourcing their ICT, bringing their ICT services to the cloud.
Not only is this transformation in network architecture a new revenue stream for Eurofiber, it's also how the company weathered the Euro crisis, helping others operate for less by upgrading legacy networks.
The infrastructure we're providing allows our customers to become more efficient.
And the business-to-business market in the Benelux is immature immature. Only half of companies that are fibre-ready are currently wired up.
We connect 1,500 locations per year, approximately. We now have nearly 6,000 locations connected.
We also have growth areas internationally.
And then there is the non-organic or acquisitions that we would like to carry out, acquiring regional networks to complement our footprint.
Or to supplement our product portfolio in the future.
There's no end to bandwidth growth at the moment, and fibre is the only future carrier for this data.